Hello, and welcome to the fundamental applications of Slate Lite. To apply Slate Lite, you require an adhesive, for example Sudacil HT, a woodworking saw, a measuring tape, packing tape, sandpaper, and of course, the Slate Lite Special Impregnator. Make sure that the surface you are working on is dry and dust-free. After unpacking the Slate Lite, apply the adhesive to the back of the material. It is important that the strands are approximately 5 millimeters thick. Apply the adhesive around the edges and in zigzag lines on the backing. We also recommend our adhesive Fix All Floor and Wall for full surface application. Now apply the sheet to the required position. When using the adhesives recommended, adjustments are very simple. The material can be cut with any woodworking tools and saws. When cutting more than 25 sheets or for industrial use, diamond-bladed tools should be used due to the strong wear on woodworking tools. To avoid possible cutting failures, always cut the material from the back side. Depending on the desired result, with or without grouting, apply the material with a gap or edge on edge. When applying edge on edge, it is advisable to sand the edges slightly to ensure a perfect fit. After this, the sheets can be applied without a grouted joint. Holes for water pipes and electric installation can easily be made with a hole drill for stone or wood. To make inside or outside corners, cut the material to the correct size. For inside corners, sand the material at a 45-degree angle to have a perfect joint. For outside corners, lay both sheets directly next to each other and apply packing tape to the surface. Then you can bend the material to a perfect angle and adhere it. After the adhesive is dry, you can pull off the tape and slightly sand down the edge. To protect the Slate Lite from oil and water stains, apply the Slate Lite Special Impregnator. This should be applied with a sponge, cloth, or paint roller. It is only necessary to apply a thin layer of the impregnator to the surface. For wall application, only one layer of Special Impregnator is required. For stronger wear areas, it is recommendable to apply 2 to 4 layers of the Special Impregnator. The impregnator should be reapplied every 5 to 7 years to ensure full surface protection. The drying time of the impregnator is 30 minutes. To avoid spots, wipe off any excess impregnator after this time. Those were the fundamental application guidelines for Slate Lite. If you enjoyed this, have a look at our videos about EcoStone and sand design.